Hi everyone, welcome back to Airdrop Insider, your trusted source for the latest crypto opportunities. I'm Adam, and today I've got an exciting update for you, the Apraemio Token Airdrop. Stick around because I'll explain what this token is all about, how to claim your share, and why this project is catching attention in the crypto world. As always, if you have any questions or need guidance, you can reach out to me directly on Telegram. I'm here to help with advice, updates, and support for all things crypto. The link is in the description below, so don't hesitate to connect. Let's get started. The Apraemio token is a reward-based cryptocurrency aimed at incentivizing users for engaging with decentralized platforms. It's built on blockchain technology to ensure transparency and fairness, making it a promising addition to the growing crypto landscape. Through this airdrop, Apraemio is rewarding early supporters with free tokens, creating an exciting opportunity to get involved with the project from the ground up. Here's why you should consider participating. Token rewards. Earn free Apraemio tokens by completing simple tasks. Low time commitment. It only takes a few minutes to join the airdrop. Community benefits. Be part of a growing ecosystem focused on innovation and user rewards. Claiming your tokens is easy. Task 1. Visit the official airdrop. Task 2. Sign up. Register with your email and wallet address. Task 3. Complete tasks. Follow their social media accounts or join their Telegram group. Task 4. Submit your details. Confirm your participation and wait for token distribution. Pro tip: always double-check that you're using the official website to avoid scams. If you have any questions about the Apraemio airdrop or need guidance, I'm here to help. You can message me directly on Telegram for advice or assistance. The link to my Telegram channel is in the description below. Don't hesitate to reach out. That's it for today's video. The Apraemio Token Airdrop is a fantastic opportunity to explore a new project and earn rewards. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Airdrop Insider, and hit the bell icon for more updates on crypto opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's keep exploring the world of crypto together.